going? It's Rosie, and today we are finally starting the moving vlogs. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank God it's finally here. We're ready for it. I figured I would start out with a quick little apartment tour of what I've got going on right now, because I just did a huge clean for a pre-move out inspection and the inspectors never came. So I'm excited to be leaving this apartment complex. But yeah, so it's probably the cleanest it's gonna be ever again until we move out and there's nothing in it. So I figured now would probably be a good time to show you around. I just really wanted to make sure that I had it on camera from when we lived here, because, you know, we were here for 13 months. It's been a great time, kind of. The complex itself is sort of whatever. The actual area is fine. The apartment itself is mostly fine. And yeah, but we've lived over a year here and I wanna remember it. This is my Colorado apartment tour. You walk in the door and then we have this little alcove nook thing that I put, that's just trash that has to go out. And this is, yeah, this is about what it looks like all the time. But this is a little shoe rack with an umbrella. It's always messy, but it's good for storage. And I will hopefully use it more at the other place. You will see in a second why we don't really use it here. But we also have this fun mirror that Kenan found while thrifting. And it's just big and imposing and cool. So, love it. And then, we immediately go upstairs. So, most people want to keep their shoes on going up the stairs and not leave them down here. So I can't really blame them. But, as we go up the stairs, we have my bird wall. And so, these are all different drawings that were part of a collection that we found in a thrift shop, not a thrift shop, like an antique shop in Nacogdoches, Texas, which is where Kenan went to college. And they're all just really beautiful, like Darwin-esque drawings. And they're so cool and fun. And like this one reminded me of a dodo bird. So this is why, this was the real selling point for me. But they're all just really beautiful and they fit like perfectly on this wall. So I also really like this duck one, it's so colorful. As we come up here to our little ledge, you can see the pumpkins. This is just sort of a coat closet that we have, like our shopping bags, Iggy's leashes, toilet paper, paper towels, you know, that type of stuff inside. Then we come to the main area. Here is just sort of like the everyday, like sunglasses, keys, headphones, and a pumpkin. Then our living room, which you have seen many times, but we've just got, you know, our couch, our chill living station. This is my corner of all my pillows, plushies, and blankets. And then little ghosty, you know, decorated for fall. And we also just got a Ring doorbell for the new place, so that's fun. But yeah, the TV, my fun little bookshelf, the more decorative one, the mirror in the really badly lit corner. And then we have our first, let's see if this will open. This is our first balcony. We did not use this for anything except bikes. And then I tried one time to dry a comforter on it and it rained. This was a part of the rainstorms every day for May. So yeah, it never quite got dry. And now I need to throw it out, but whatever. This door also started leaking water over the summer and like pooling and almost became like a little flood area over here. So that was fun. And oh, these are two paintings that Kenan and I did. We tried to copy a Bob Ross for a date night once, and we did them with just our fingers. So that's Kenan's, that's mine, very fun. Over here we have our little record station. Gonna fill that up with the ones that are in our console. Obviously our pumpkins. Got some fall stuff going on. These are 2 boxes that my mom sent to me that just got here, so there's just no point in unpacking them. Some of the stuff on top, though, I am donating, so that's why it's kind of out. But I also have the rest of my books from Liv in there, so I will show you those when we unpack. And then we have just this little random shelf thing that Kenan got from work that really, it's just sort of a catch-all. We just have random shit on it. But yeah, that's that. Then we have the kitchen. It's a pretty nice kitchen. I love this counter and like little island space. It's been really nice. Oh, this is my little fridge area. I've got some, you know, spooky cryptids. I've got postcard from the Harry's house, vinyl, some fun pictures of Kevin and I when we didn't know the pictures were actually being taken. Then we figured it out in the last one. Some more ones where I figured it out with some friends. Lots of Bucky. Bucky's here. Bucky's with us always. The eyes of Bucky are upon you. Yes, they are. And a bunch of other random magnets. So, you know, just a little stovey area. My little towels. Very fun. Had a good amount of storage here. My little bird. Yeah, dig it. This is a pretty solid kitchen, quite honestly. And our next one is a little bit bigger, so that's exciting. This is just our laundry room. So, washer, dryer, and then random storage above. You don't need to see it too in depth. All right. And then as you can see from the kitchen, we go into what should have been a dining room, and it instead became Mr. Iggy's room. He's chilling in there because we were supposed to have the inspectors and then they didn't come. So, whoops. But this is just his little area. It's constantly being destroyed. That's his old crate. He used to fit in that because he used to be tiny. Now he's a big old boy. But this is from a thrift shop. It's one of the Degas ballerina paintings. Very fun. This is our second little balcony. This has a nice view of our parking lot that is always under construction. Yeah, we have this random table because I don't know. Oh, at one point Kenan wanted to do like soldering and tool related things out here, and this was just sort of like out, and we spray painted a little bit on it. It was just out by like the garbage, so we took it and now it's there and it's not coming with us. So, and then from Iggy's room, this is my little like bar bookshelf, which was a good use for it at the time, but now I'm kind of like, I want a bar cart, lol. Then we turn the other way, and this is our little sectioned off area that leads to the office. This area was meant to be sort of like its own apartment, I'm guessing, like if you had a roommate, because it has this fun little hallway with a door. So pretty much your own private spot. We put these little guys up here. They're from a print shop up in Boulder. Love them. Has its own bathroom. So this is my second bathroom. Hello. You know, just some cutesy stuff. My little ghosty ghoulies. Yeah, this is from Target. That is from Target. This is from Target. That's from Marshall's. But I love this. I don't know if specifically it is this street, but there's one street in Boston that's just like this with the cobblestones, and it's all old. I think it might be Mulberry Street, I don't know. But that's what I think of when I see it, and it's a good bathroom picture. Yeah, we have a sticky note on it saying keep closed, because if we don't, Iggy likes to eat the toilet paper, and it's very easy to forget. This is just another random like storage closet full of linens and dog stuff. It's like Iggy's closet. Then we have the office. So the office has certainly been in better shape, but that's okay. This is my little section right here, and here is the big old bookshelf. I've already shown you guys the bookshelves recently, but this is where they're at right now. We've got some bins waiting to be filled, suitcase that I'm not putting away because I might as well just pack it soon. This is all Ken inside, his computers and his tools, his little tools section. Very fun, very cool. This is another little random cove full of books that I need to get rid of and boxes that are Kevin's. But it was cute beforehand. As you can see, there's a fun little glass gas lamp back there. Is it called a gas lamp? I don't know. I think so. And a Buddha board. But there's my electric guitar and an amp. This is another scary storage closet that we don't have to go in. That closet actually has a bunch of boxes from the last time we moved that just never got unpacked. So gonna be going through those and throwing some things out very likely. All right, and then to the left of my little desk area, I just have another bookshelf. These are like special editions or classics that are cool. You know, some random stuff. I have the Star Wars Shakespeare trilogy there. Yeah, just really like a storage one. And a nice flower market poster. I have more posters that I was planning on putting up, but then it just never happened. So, and as we exit, come back out into the main area, and then we go to our bedroom. And so, this is our bedroom. It has once again seen better days, cleaner days. Still have my little carry-on out from Austin. And then that box is the box my Songmont bag came in. So I was like, I might as well just keep it out because I will be using it again soon. But this is my side, cluttered, crazy. And this is Kenan's, bare, wires. These are some boxes I need to open, but that'll be in another vlog. Here is the best thing we own. This is a poster that I took off the wall in New York City. It was an ad for something, I think. I don't know. I can't figure it out, but I love it. The colors, the pictures, the little like designs, just everything about this is it just makes it my favorite thing ever. And I love it. I'm so glad I took it. It was peeling off anyway, so. And it says, Baron Samedi, the Elgin Marbles, Isaac Newton, Velasquez, who cooks the best beans? And right next to it is this little bookshelf. So this is just like a trinket shelf full of stuff like jewelry, my EMF detector, little candles, perfumes, more jewelry, my Dali tarot card deck, some more books and some puzzles. Then we have another little stuffy corner. And then on this side of the dresser, console, whatever you want to call it, is my clothes. I have a leaves candle, a nice mushroom guy, tarot card book, a couple journals. And then these are the books I brought back from Austin. So they're new, they're fresh. And Kenan keeps his clothes in there. And this also came back from Austin. This super cute little mushroom light. I'm gonna put it in one of the bathrooms. My switch hides there. That's the whole TV area. And then the bed. This is from Kohl's and it has surprisingly held up very well. I put it through a lot of rough and tumble, but it's like a fun little, I don't even know what to call this. Square knit? Patch knit? I'm not sure. Honeycomb. That's probably as close as it's gonna get, but love it. Big fan. Hate Kohl's though. And then this is my little corner. As I said, it's messy right now, but it's a girl mess. What can you do? I've got my Kindle. I've got my voting ballot. I've got my wallet. Tissues, lotion, medicine, and my sick as hell boot lamp. Another one of my favorite things I own. Found it in an antique store in Texas, and I wanted to buy it, but it was right before we were moving the first time to Colorado, and Kenan's grandma purchased it and gave it to me. And it was just the sweetest thing ever. It was so nice. Makes me so happy. Yeah. And then the rest of my little side, what is this? Side table? This and the other one are from Wayfair. They're just a matching set, and then we've just got our garbage. That is from Target. All of my little bathroom garbages are the same. And then we got a lot of books, my iPad, my laptop is under the bed, on the bed. The setup isn't great. I'm hoping for an improved setup in the new place. All of my wires that are supposed to be hidden in this lovely little thing, but there are just so many wires it pops open. And then my wall of art, my collage wall, if you will. Big fan. Love this so much. I cannot wait to have even more of a collage wall. I'm just so excited. That top painting and then this painting are from Leah Gardner Art. This and that tapestry are from Urban Outfitters. Those two are from somewhere on Etsy, the Taurus and the Cancer. And then this I picked up on the street in Greece. So there's no real shop for that. And then this cool little print of ceramiques is from another antique shop. So couldn't tell you. Then we move into this shadowy little corner of my room. I've got all my tote bags. This is a linen closet full of bags, shoes and towels and presents. Then we have my closet, which you are very well familiar with. This bad boy has also seen better days. That is all clothes I have to go through and figure out if I'm selling or getting rid of. That's gonna be a nightmare, but that's gonna be another video. Or it might be in this video, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, you've seen her plenty of times. And then my bathroom. Hello. Pretty nice bathroom, not gonna lie. It was a lot of space. I had a lot of countertop to put my things on, which I like. We definitely do not have as much countertop space in the new apartment, but that is okay. I will just deal. Last time I dealed by getting this cart because I will have probably about the same amount of space as I did in our very first Colorado apartment. And that was like minuscule. So I got this little cart last time, and now it's just sort of filled with random things, but I can repurpose it once again. And then, you know, just the actual like bathroom area. All of our stuff, like pretty much all the bathroom stuff is from Target, almost exclusively. And yeah, just another shower and tub. And oh, I got this little Prada Martha print when I was in Texas last year, in their like in Dallas's arts district, and it was just really cute. I like it. I like the colors a lot. And yeah, that's that. Also my pumpkins. So this kicks off the moving videos, and I am just so pumped. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. Like, the idea of making videos about it is making me excited to move, even though the last thing on earth I want to do right now is pack up my life and unpack it somewhere else. But I get to have fun with it, and I get to, you know, talk to you about it, so that makes it a bit better. And yeah, this pretty quick video, but you know, I figured it's just a funsies and one for the memes for me. So the next moving video, you bet your ass we're doing some cleaning. We're doing some decluttering. We're trying to get rid of some stuff. I will tell you that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and want to follow along on my moving journey, I'm moving farther into Denver, into a duplex, a new house. I talk about that. I'm gonna be talking about that for a little while. I'm gonna be doing some house decorating, decor stuff. I have plenty more spooky, fun fall content coming to you as well. This weekend is actually going to be a very fun, spooky weekend. Spooky and just like fun in general, because I'm going to see the Taylor Swift movie, and then I'm also going to the Stanley Hotel for the live Haunted Objects podcast, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. But yes, if you're interested in any of that or all of that, please stick around, please hang out, and yeah, please leave me a comment below. Tell me when your next lease is up, because I love to know. I'm just a nosy bitch. Like, when are you moving? When do you have to do this? I just like to know. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hope you have a fabulous whatever time of day you're in, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.